Even the man I get taken a quano because you watch out him obi adromum wrong with some things in the buy name naboro is be here. Even from Niger some now, but I'm always dirty post on for online that I am not happy about. Kidi hemenji we kwen. Each na the post about channel of this page 2 days ago. Post and the post on na na scream when post about that scandal and a Reverend Father. Which Nampata said that no drama watch check and go talon in because of wickedness. That post did not go well because of the kind of propaganda people cho. Ndo marana like or na that post only went as low as getting 12 likes, 11 likes plus nkemo ajaka mwe like ya obulu 12. Obulu 12 because Nabian say why are you people sharing something that no a lot of us man no bas. A lot of us man no bas. Fado ye mwazi na fado mwazi in 10 years. How many years can I spend this now before you chair father? Kono mwere investigation ga online or on ground before you need chonya father. And why didn't the woman come out okay ne village ya ne ebosi ne dia ne umuazi ya nekwa nebu no those things give out full details about everything. Unonyo bona blue the news na efeyali. While ndo mena na share that video nobody went there to confront them. Kanko putali no. Now let's analyze the situation. A priest in this picture happens to be the priest accused of being the family priest to a family over 10 years. You people should say he is responsible. You people also say he's responsible for the woman's children, and the first child is about 10 years. Now, this young man here was ordained a priest in 2024. According to this post, it's about 2 years now. It has nullified the claim that he is the family priest since 10 years ago. So Kekamadi is really a family priest to somebody 10 years ago, Manaka actually a father 2 years ago. How do you people even think? Oh, here a big goal like this, you on your own mind, man, meet of the people in Ugu hatred against the church. Only Africa ben na drive to. Ndo mena na bugaliza the news. Kuno fosa kasu we bulgi the news we shift to Elia to Ebuka Obi. And the annual Hani Bugali this thing happens to be a Christian. He's not even a priest when he had an affair with the woman in 2016 that produces the 10 years old child. What about the other 4 children that you claim he's responsible for? So the seminarian can leave at will to go and impregnate his woman friend and come back to seminary at will. Or the woman will visit him in the major seminary and sleep with him until he impregnates her, which gave rise to the other 4 children after the first one that is 10 years old. Assuming it is every 2 years, he will have passed to go and impregnate the woman in 2018, 2020, 2022, and then when he was ordained 2024, he also impregnated her. Then he was also posted to where he will impregnate the woman in 2026. Again, if you say that he was not yet a priest, then the intimacy started. Note that it is an average intelligent seminary about 18 years old, or about to complete his priestly journey from Jesus, meaning that the young man was just out of the junior seminary to SS3 as it is called. Then he impregnated the woman for the first child, and he now has a schedule among his tight and very righteous journey through the major seminary to go and continue impregnating a woman, not once, not twice, not 3 times. I also read about one post that they did to Iweponwa Mbolonab. In my conclusion, here is that if anyone is posting about this without verification, the person should think twice, because priests are God's oracle. Let's trend with caution when talking about them. Many has met their destruction because they say untruthful things about priests. Please verify before you talk, or keep mute and pray for them. I refer to all priests, not just Roman Catholic priests. This was the post in Shiela. The post ended up not getting enough narrative because they didn't see it coming. Leave our priest alone. When you people will not go to that particular one now that I posted and stand for a priest in the midst of trial, comment here on it. Now, there's a bit no way jubetize the whole thing. Only no one now. Only one here. Almost half of Nsukka in Enugu State are typical Muslims now. They have never shared it. They have never talked about it. They have never programmed it. They have never posted it. Even including all this Indomen and has sponsored this propaganda. No. And the lady Jafia made that picture, how will you cope? How do you sleep? Knowing fully well that your picture is being used to push an agenda and you've not release go the disclaimer afoberom. But I am speaking based on oyon afobero. How can you use your picture to push an agenda? What if Oboni no berodi? What if Oboni no good? How will now your husband feel about it? You bankite will photo gine push a propaganda for the past 1 week. Just take the Navy's video careful. Half of Ndenugu, half of Nsukka, Abolugo Muslim. Next has to celebrate Salah. Nene this video.
Onye mumunya rar onu fijinu zo ketineke maka na ahuru nwa anenya ognevenu ke kwa onye nkpokoti uchunku wanu arar on bushwe uzo ketineke osu wameyafal dalika fa ulaika humul khasirun nande meru habu ne ko jabu ala khasirun ondo wo mu bo heb nyabu ne iju ketineke ni gabonyo wom mi kweru ketineke tọdún jọ tọdún sọ ní gabonyi nwere uru nke Chineke kwe ka anyị wuru nwari nwanko na anyị kọnụ nwanyị ka were wuru ọrụ anyị mata na sala nwanyị na-eme abụghị sọsọ iri rice na iri anụ na igbe ebule no bụ gbaa mbọ ka imedome mago me reform medome okwukwe gị na-eme Chineke nọ ịnụ ga-emedu sala ise mgbe dị n'ogenye kwee onwe gị nkwa mmemme New Year resolution ya bụ kwuo onwe nkwa na akwa na a na-abanye na inshallah na azuke mekiri jintanwa na ya ga na-eme salise na ogenye mgbe kwechi ịnụ ga-abịa ịdị juma kwuo onwe nkwa na ị ga na-abịa juma ị na-eme ịdị Islam maka mmadụ si wewe na ya ga na-eme Islam maka Chukwu sọsọ ọ bụrụ na onye isi maọbụ na imam mere ga ji ihe ewele maka anya jasị n'ime gị Islam ọzọ ọ bụrụ na obutugibe Muslim mere ga ji ihe ewele maka anya azụ na emega maka ọzọ wewe iji anyị na-eme nta bụ anyị gba mbọ ka anyị medome tọwhid anyị ikome sọsọ Chineke ọ dịgo ọyị bụ Muslim na gị na-eje agba ha ọ dịgo ọyị bụ Muslim ị na-eje ahụ ụzọ ị na-agba maọbụ a na-agbatanụ gị ọ dịgo ọyị adedisiri na onye agbana ha maọbụ onye gbara ha na a ga na-agbacha sala gị 40 days ya bụ na ịbụ gị Muslim for 40 days ya bụ na ọ bụ na ịnwụ ọnwụ azụ ka agbanụ gị ha maọbụ na ijeje agba ha na ịnwụrụ ma case gị bụ pending case.
Thank you. I'm on that video. Na fugo kanda we celebrate Salah. These people have never come out to say na ya na one creep the a na n'ime Igbo society or nka eji we bilo or nka eji we mala ndị Igbo dị ha. Esigo na Nsukka na ọzọ sikete efu ha n'Imo, ọzọ sikete efu ha na Ebonyi, ọzọ sikete efu ha na Abia. And these people maka isi azọ territory. Ika ọha azọ territory. Ha maka isi azụ ọfụma. Now, n'ezie na this post ka efuzi ebe the journeys we drive into Ebuka Obi. What then is their problem towards Ebuka Obi now? Onye Osin, I don't want to believe that it was Zionite until I saw them in the comment section. I said provide the name of the priest and reverend sisters and all of them are keeping malice. Then what is the point of staying hungry for 100 days in the name of fasting when all you do is to lie, hold malice and cause trouble? Ebuka Obi of Zion should actually tell his members that it is not only food you can fast from. You can fast from envy, malice, lying, etc. etc. Fighting the church you claim to be part of is funny. You people shouldn't forget whoever alleges must prove. Because Kanjikenen, how does this issue now has to do with Ebuka Obi and Zion minister? And we kiss we get non waga we for non Zion push here. Just because you want to push an agenda. And we kiss with that girl Hiji Futia a made propaganda. Is she a Zionite? Why is it that obeli when a trip we in will be jam or you seen hana basaria and don't the buy in a mekali this nonsense no? On the buy. Oh no man bugali this rubbish and bugalia this propaganda. Oh no man no kiss bugalia. Or they can both the chat and somebody will be reply I see Oga, the Catholic Church should go inside and investigate this issue and treat it accordingly. Everything is not for social media clout. Then remove Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry from your mouth when writing this trash next time. As for the new anonymous page, Facebook account you screenshotted here, you are behind it to tarnish the image of Zion Ministry, but they move regardlessly. Also, but they move, which means this person is not even a Zion member. So you just to call to your attention. Obulukwanka screenshot wa. There ya neze that post the person you say no anonymous post which we will push agenda. Also Zion Ministry fighting Catholic Church. Ha chai. I laugh in Swahili. Your downfall will be like tsunami. Pope can fall, bishops can fall, priests can fall, but church remain no this and no peace. Nyama Jakia we did that now we will making push this agenda on his own. Kede ni Ebuka Obi melon. Kede ke Ebuka Obi so bata na this thing now. Now this last video now because when made that post as in I'm not to put a video about it until wait somebody that has something to say about it so that let there be a proof. Man, you people will not come here now and come and stand for this father and now. You will not comment there. And when they can we post we with the evidence about it. I say, hey, you are fighting father, you are fighting father. Come here now and stand for that father they are laying allegation for. Because it will be on record that I stood for him. It will be on record that I stood for him. Ulebuni ya mai onye obuna ya dachu ubi ilize ebuni egusi kunu su edekwa ajai une onye obuna no amoro m ihe na-eme ndị bai no amoro sometimes dị ka na ebulu brain id ni ihu bufie ya azụ bulu nke dị n'azụ tufuwe atufuwe n'ezie nda video nji wesi na m chọrọ ikwu okwu maka until I see a video about it and then this video called the one.
Recently we've been seeing a trending video of an alleged Catholic priest and this lady they said has the children for him. Unfortunately, the peddlers have not told us, the parish, the diocese, the full details of this priest. And this thing has been circulating, going round. Even the so-called Igbo Ezike, where they mentioned, the people of that Igbo Ezike is asking, please tell us the place in Igbo Ezike, let us know. Even if you don't mention the parish, tell us the particular village, let us go and find out. We hear also that the lady is based in Lagos, here in Lagos, and then the priest is in Enugu. The lady with no details. There's something I want us to know. You know, it is very easy to carry your phone and make a video and post. It is also very easy to cook up something, but it is not easy to come out of it when karma comes. There's something a lot of you don't know. Because Catholic priests, they are down to earth. They are the simplest men of God you encounter. You cannot go to Pastor Christo Yakilome. You see him doing some things that the priest does with people. They are down to earth. They relate with everybody. I think that is what is giving a lot of you opportunity to cook up stories against a Catholic priest. You don't even know what a Catholic priest is, who a Catholic priest is. If a Catholic priest should lay a curse on you, this one is not the one they say nemesis comes after. It comes instantly. That's why you can never see a priest say things out of anger. Go and make your findings. You don't just lay accusations against a Catholic priest. Unverified accusations. And now it's been trending. The most painful part of it is that the picture trending is a picture of a newly ordained priest. A newly ordained priest. How do you feel if this person is your brother, if he happens to be your younger brother or your older brother, and he's being peddled with bad information? I hope you will be okay with it. When somebody kneels down, if he kneels down before the Blessed Sacraments and say a word against you, Even the Bible already told you what will happen. If he doesn't forgive you, even heaven will not forgive you. Do you know what it is? To lay accusation, broad daylight, you opened your mouth to say things, you sit down in your home, God, may God forgive you. Whoever that started this, may God forgive you. And one thing again, everybody should know, Catholic Church is not the type that immediately something happens, they want to come and refute it. They don't. A lot has happened to church. A lot has happened to Catholic Church, yet we are still standing. A lot of accusations, allegations, propagandas against the church, yet the church still stands. So a lot have been saying, come out and defend the priest. He's your co-brother. He's your priest brother. He's of your diocese. Catholic Church doesn't do that way. We have seen worse things than his own allegation. We allow the Holy Spirit to take over. We allow God to take over. If you are waiting for any priest to come and write a full note to explain to you, una go wait tire. But I'm telling the person that did this and those that still wish to do more, be careful when you are dealing with a Catholic priest. I see a lot of Catholics, those that doesn't know themselves, that we team up with whatever interdenominational something they attend, and they'll be saying things against Catholic priests. The day one of them will open his mouth to lay a curse on you, that is when you will know. Priests are humans. Stop cooking up stories, unverified stories.